If one does not awaken today, then wait patiently, tomorrow may offer another chance. This phrase, written over 400 years ago in an Eastern classic, reminds us that transformation doesn't always happen in the moment. Sometimes wisdom takes time to settle in. But as many of us know, this kind of patience is easier said than done, especially in the emotionally charged dynamics between mothers-in-law and daughters-in-law. Why is it so difficult to apply what we already know about resolving in-law conflicts? 1. Defense mechanisms take over. When conflict arises, our sense of self feels threatened. Instead of seeking resolution, we unconsciously protect ourselves. It's not me, it's her. We project. I did my best, she's just too sensitive, we rationalize. Even though we know reconciliation requires initiative, our emotions sabotage action. 2. Emotional memory triggers habits. Our brains remember pain. A past argument leaves a scar, and the next time something feels similar, we react as if history is repeating itself. Result, we either avoid the situation or lash out, just like before. 3. Pride and ego conflict. In-law tension is not just about disagreement, it's about identity. My experience was dismissed. My values were ignored, so instead of reaching out, we fear it will make us look weaker, feel like we're losing. How can Eastern philosophy help? To put this wisdom into practice, let's revisit 3 ancient philosophies that guide us toward personal change before we expect change from others. 1. Confucianism C. 2,500 years ago, 修己之人, cultivate yourself before correcting others. Rather than fixing the other person, first refine your own attitude. True leadership in relationships comes not from control, but from virtue, from choosing connection over pride. Practice tip. Initiating peace isn't losing, it's leading. 2. Taoism C. 2,400 years ago, 无为自然 flow without force. Instead of forcing reconciliation, create a space where healing can arise naturally. A warm meal, a quiet gesture, or simply choosing not to argue. These are forms of action through non-action. Practice tip. Reconciliation isn't always spoken, it's felt in the atmosphere you create. 3. Buddhism C. 2,500 years ago, karma and mindfulness, every outcome begins in the mind. Don't just blame the other, observe your own reactions. Memories and attachments. Practice tip. When anger arises, pause. Ask yourself, is this about Noah or a shadow from the past? The problem is not lack of wisdom, it's the lack of courage to apply it. How to practice. Wait for tomorrow with wisdom and grace. 1. Accept that conflict isn't resolved instantly, but gradually, over time. In-law dynamics involve emotion, culture, values, and generations. The solution isn't a breakthrough moment, it's slow, steady change. 2. Embrace this mindset. If not today, then let me try again tomorrow with warmth. That's not resignation. It's respect, restraint, and real strength. Practical psychological strategies for everyday application. Leave emotional space. Silence is not indifference, it can be kindness. By not reacting immediately, you give others room to reflect and feel safe. Small actions, repeated consistently. 1 kind text, 1 shared memory, 1 gentle gesture. What matters is not a single attempt, but a consistent message. I'm here when you're ready. Lower expectations. Keep the door open. Even if they don't change today, believe they can. That belief gives you the strength to keep trying. If the heart is closed today, perhaps it's simply preparing to open tomorrow. In the end, Eastern wisdom and modern psychology agree. True change begins with patience, reflection, and the quiet courage to try. Again, a small moment at a time.